Hi, and welcome to Stamp with Ginny. Today I'm going to share with you the last chance retirement list for the January-June 2022 annual catalog. You'll want your printed list, a highlighter, and if you'd like a pen so that you can mark things appropriately. We're going to flip this open, and we're going to start on page 8 and 9, and of course I'm going to show you the items that are retired. You can check the list for the discounted prices on them. So we're starting with the Sweet Talk suite of products. It's going away. The bundle, the little boxes, which are a lot of fun to work with, the faux real red linen ribbon, and the designer series paper. On page 10, all 3 items are retiring, along with the 3 items on page 11. Next, on page 12, we have the Gumball Greetings stamp set, dies, and the bundle, along with the shaker domes and frosted beads. The Nuts and Bolts stamp set on page 13 is retiring. And when you flip to page 15, you're going to see that the bundle for the flowering tulips is going to be retiring, the Tulip Fields bundle, and the designer series paper. On page 16, we have the bundle retiring, and on page 17, all 3 items, the stamp set, dies, and the bundle. Page 18, all 3 items, the stamp set, the bundle, and the dies, along with the Friends of the Forest. On page 20, just the bundle, Hello Ladybug, is going away. The stamp set and the punch will carry over, but the discount will be gone. Turning to page 22, we have the entire suite of Symbols of Fortune leaving, along with the Crane of Fortune bundle, the Polished Dots, the Mother of Pearl 12 by 12 paper, and the Symbols of Fortune designer series paper. On page 24, all 3 items are going to be retiring since the suite is going away also. Page 25, just the bundle is retiring. So if you love this set and the dies, you'll want to get it before the end of June to get the discount. Page 26, we have the Boughs and Blossom stamp set and the bundle leaving, along with the Easter Friends on page 27. Page 28 are Garden Greenhouse stamps, bundle, and the greenhouse dies are saying goodbye. Page 30, stamp, bundle, and dies are leaving, along with page 31 with the Kite Delight. On page 32 and 33, we've got the suite that's retiring, the bundle that's retiring, and the designer series paper that's retiring. On page 34, all 3 items are going to be retiring, as we spoke about on the pages before. Dahlia Days, all 3 items are retiring. And on page 36, Flowing Flowers is retiring. Page 38, the Cute Little Seize the Day stamp set, dies, and bundle are retiring. And on page 40, the Amazing Silhouettes bundle is retiring, along with the Eden's Garden bundle on page 41. On page 43, we have the On the Horizon stamp set, the Horizon dies, the bundle, the ribbon, the pebble enamel shapes, and the New Horizon paper that's been extremely popular. Page 45, we have the Gentle Dies retiring. Page 46, all 3 items are retiring here. Page 48, the Abstract Beauty Collection is retiring, along with the bundle, the hexagon adhesive backed embellishments, the cards and envelopes, Firma pack, and the paper. On page 50, just the bundle is saying goodbye. On page 51, the Happy and Heartfelt is retiring. Page 52, the stamp set, bundle, and dies are retiring, along with the Best Delivery. On page 54, Just the Bundle is retiring. You'll still be able to get the stamp set and dies. Page 55, the Bragworthy stamp set is retiring, and on page 56, Sentimental Swirls. On page 58, the Heart and Home Suite is retiring, along with the denim ribbon, the doilies, the card pack, the cards and envelopes, and the Designer Series paper. On to page 62, both stamp sets will be retiring. And on page 64, Just the Bundle is going away. So once again, if you want that 10% discount, you'll want to get it soon. On 65, the layering decorative masks are going away, along with page 66, the Cactus Cuties bundle and the punch. Lucky You on the next page is retiring. And on page 68, the Hey Sports Fan Suite collection is retiring, along with all the items on page 69. Page 72, the Home and Garden stamp set, dies, and the bundle are retiring, along with Brave Vikings. For the Record is also retiring. And of course, the Hostess sets are retiring. You can still earn these with a qualifying order if you would like, and while the supplies last. So there you go, a quick walkthrough through the mini catalog. Of course, take a look at my online store and the discounted prices that are listed there on those items that you'd like to take a look at. Simply click on the last chance list and everything will be shown that's available. I hope you've enjoyed this walkthrough the mini catalog retirement list. And of course, if you'd like any of these products, feel free to stop by my online store. You can get there from my blog, Stamp with Jini. Thanks for joining me.